Training your dog in 2024 involves a blend of traditional techniques and modern advancements in technology and understanding of canine behavior. The first step in training your dog is to establish a strong foundation of trust and communication. This begins with understanding that dogs are social animals that thrive on structure and positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement involves rewarding your dog for good behavior rather than punishing them for bad behavior. This can be done using treats, praise, or playtime. The key is to be consistent and immediate with your rewards so that your dog can make the connection between the behavior and the reward. One of the most effective ways to train your dog is through clicker training. Clicker training uses a small device that makes a clicking sound to mark the exact moment your dog performs the desired behavior. This is followed by a reward. The clicker serves as a clear and consistent signal to your dog, making it easier for them to understand what is expected of them. Start by associating the clicker with a reward. Click the device and immediately give your dog a treat. Repeat this several times until your dog starts to look for a treat when they hear the click. Once this association is established, you can begin using the clicker to mark desired behaviors. In 2024, technology plays a significant role in dog training. There are numerous apps and devices designed to assist with training. For example, smart collars can track your dog's activity levels, monitor their health, and even provide real-time feedback during training sessions. These collars can be programmed to emit sounds or vibrations to signal your dog, which can be particularly useful for recall training or correcting unwanted behaviors. Additionally, there are apps that offer step-by-step training programs, video tutorials, and even virtual consultations with professional trainers. Socialization is another critical aspect of training your dog. Proper socialization helps your dog become well-adjusted and confident in various environments and situations. This involves exposing your dog to different people, animals, sounds, and experiences in a controlled and positive manner. Puppy classes are an excellent way to start socialization, as they provide a safe environment for your dog to interact with others and learn basic commands. For older dogs, regular visits to dog parks, walks in different neighborhoods, and inviting friends over can help with socialization. Obedience training is essential for a well-behaved dog. Basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and leave it are the foundation of good behavior. Start with one command at a time and practice it consistently until your dog masters it before moving on to the next command. Use positive reinforcement and be patient. Training sessions should be short and fun to keep your dog engaged and prevent them from becoming bored or frustrated. In 2024, understanding canine behavior and body language is more emphasized than ever. Dogs communicate through their body language, and being able to read these signals can greatly enhance your training efforts. For example, a wagging tail does not always mean a happy dog. It can also indicate excitement or anxiety. Learning to recognize signs of stress, fear, or aggression can help you address issues before they escalate and create a more positive training experience for your dog. Consistency is crucial in dog training. Everyone in the household should be on the same page regarding rules and commands. Mixed signals can confuse your dog and hinder their progress. Establish clear guidelines and ensure that everyone follows them. Lastly, patience and persistence are key. Training a dog takes time, and setbacks are normal. Celebrate small victories and remain patient through the challenges. Remember that training is an ongoing process, and even well-trained dogs need regular reinforcement to maintain their skills. In conclusion, training your dog in 2024 combines the best of traditional methods with modern technology and a deeper understanding of canine behavior. By using positive reinforcement, leveraging technology, ensuring proper socialization, and being consistent and patient, you can successfully train your dog and build a strong, trusting relationship.